Good evening, everyone. Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible to everyone? Can I get a yes or no? Anyone?
Voice is very low.
Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay, fine. Okay then. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so today we are having a talk session. So we will, like the previous week that we have done in the same way only, we will be going like that. Activity wise, I will be asking the doubts and clearing the doubts, and then practice assignment. Fine. Shall we start? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. You
Okay,
can start.
sure. Okay, sure. Okay, you can see my screen, right? Okay, if the people who are not able to speak, they can just write it in the chat box, but it is better if you can speak. Okay, so yeah. Okay, anybody having any doubts on activity 2.1? Anyone? Just raise your hand. Um, Write it in the chat box. No one? Okay, shall we proceed to the next activity? Okay. Anyone having doubts in 2.2? Have you guys solved activity questions? Yes or no? Okay. So in 2.2, nobody is having any doubts. I'm only getting two, three answers. What about others? At least give a thumbs up or something, or write it in the chat box. Okay. Then 2.3, anyone? 2.4, 2.5, no one? Okay, then practice assignment 2.1. No one. What's the doubt in this? Can you speak? It will be easy for me as well.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, you are on. Yeah, what is the doubt in this?
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to know that why, like, the answer is the missing baseline, but why does it not include manipulated y-axis?
Manipulated y-axis in the sense, if you manipulate the y-axis in the sense, like, let's suppose you have done like the scales are in different, the scales are different and all. If you're manipulating that y-axis, then only you can say the manipulated y-axis. Missing baseline in the sense like the zero is not there. That's a different thing. Okay, baseline is not there. Understood?
So
Got
basically, manipulated y-axis means either we are missing out some percentages or either we are piling up it a lot.
correct. That's a manipulated y-axis.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So anyone having doubt in practice assignment 2.1? Okay. And in 2.2, have you guys solved the practice assignment? Yes or no?
No, ma'am, actually, we didn't.
You did. Okay. What about others? What about the rest of them? Are they here or they just joined and left the class? What is it? So till where you have done, like practice assignment 2.1, is it done? Or like 2.1 is also remaining to be done? I need answers. If you're not going to speak anything, then I won't be knowing what is happening or like what do I have to teach and all. If nobody's answering me, then it won't work, right? So then let's do one thing. We will do some questions of the practice assignment 2.1 and 2.2. Some of the questions, two, three questions from each of the practice assignments. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
let's do that. But I need answers from everyone. I don't need answers from only one person. I need everyone to speak. Is it fine? Or at least just write it in the chat box. Will that be fine with everyone? Because I need one-to-one conversation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I need yes from the other people. That's all. What about others? Nobody wants to do the practice for me. Okay, let's do this question. A total of 2,000 cases of COVID-19 have been registered on 5th May 2020 in five key districts of Maharashtra. The proportion of cases in each district have been listed in table 2.1. How many cases were registered in Pune on 5th May? So we have been given the relative frequencies and we need to find out how many cases were registered in total in Pune.
400.
400. And how did we do that?
We can we have a total and we have a total and 2000 cases.
Hmm.
When we multiply them, we get answer.
Why did we multiply? What's the formula of relative frequency?
Relative frequency is equal to frequency by total.
Total frequency. So in this question, we need to find out the frequency of the Pune, right? So that's
Right.
why we multiply the relative frequency with the total number of cases. So with that, we got 400 as the frequency of Pune. Is this question clear?
Yeah.
Is it fine? Okay. Now, okay, let's do this question. The distribution of grades in statistic class consisting of 80 students is shown in a pie chart. How many students have secured B grade? So this question, I guess I have done this in the solve with the question, right? Yeah. What's the answer for this?
One.
26 ओके स्कूल में भी टीचर भी मना कर देने ऐसे बच्चा होता है क्योंकि
Sorry?
I'm 26.
The
26.
answer is 26. How did you guys solve?
When we find the percentage of 80 students,
Okay, so basically we have 32.5% of students who
80
secured B grade, right? Out of 80 students. So basically what we will be doing, we will be doing 32.5 into 80, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see this question as well. There are only five questions, right? Okay. Then, which of the following measure of central tendency is applicable for categorical with a nominal scale of measurement?
मीडियम
Medium. Why not no?
नहीं मतलब ज्यादा गर्म ठंडा पी लिया तो उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा
Mode.
ज्यादा ठंडा खिलाना है
Okay.
नॉर्मल खिलाना
Why not medium?
Because for
नमक से
median we
उल्टी हो
need
जाए
ordinal order.
Order, yes. And here we are talking about,
Here we're talking about categorical variable and nominal scale of measurement.
yeah. So basically, in this question, they are talking about categorical variable with a nominal scale of measurement. That means there is no order. If there is no order, we can't calculate the median. And for a categorical, we can't calculate a mean. So only C option, that is mode, is the correct option. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the third, identify the wrong statement. Bar chart is a better tool to describe the gross domestic product growth rate of India from 2009 to 2020. Pie chart is not effective when we have large number of categories. Pareto is used only for ordinance. Bar chart is better than pie chart if you want to compare the actual counts. Okay. Which is the wrong statement?
C.
C. And that's it.
Yes.
Only C. Okay. Then the ratio of the total frequency to the total number of observation is equal to 1. Sum of all the frequency should be equal to 1. The ratio of frequency of a particular observation to the total number of observation is the relative frequency. And fourth, the multiplication of total number of observation and relative frequency should be equal to the frequency of that observation. So which are the correct statement for a relative frequency? Tanish, can you just mute yourself?
A B C D.
Sorry. Uh, Tan- Tanish, can you just mute yourself? Can I get an answer?
Second.
Sum of all the relative frequency should be equal to 1. Okay.
Ma'am, number one, bar chart is a better tool to describe the GDP.
No, I'm asking about question number 4.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
And
Option number two. Option number two.
That's it.
Option number three also.
Okay. And
Ma'am, A B C
And
D.
option number three also.
I
Option number
think
four. Option number
2
two,
and
three,
4.
4.
what about 1,
2 and 3, ma'am.
2, 2 and 3? That's it.
No, ma'am.
So
2, 3, 4. 4 also.
2, 3, 4. What about others? So your answer is why not 1? What do you mean by total frequency? Total frequency in the sense it is same as the total number of observations, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
if I calculate, if I divide the total frequency with the total number of observations, both are same. So it will be equal to 1 only.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay. So this practice assignment is clear. 2.1. No doubt.
Uh,
Okay. Then next. Okay. So you guys need to solve this question. So the first question is Rajdhani train connects the Rajdhani train connects the national capital of India with state capitals of India and or all the biggest cities of the state. The Rajdhani Express running from Sikandrabad Junction to Hazrat Nizamuddin Junction has one AC first class coach, five AC second class coach, and nine third class coaches. Each of the 1A, 2, and 3A coaches has a maximum capacity of 18, 48 berths, and 64 berths. On a given day, 1A, 10 1A berths, half of the 2A berths, and 275 3A berths were filled. What is the percentage of berths filled in the train on the given day? Can you guys calculate that? Calculate and tell me the answer.
I'm 38.33.
What about others? Those who are not speaking, are they even doing the question? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, doing. Just a minute.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. 48.56.
48.1. Okay, let's wait for the other people. What are their answers?
Yes, ma'am, 48.56. Yes.
48.56.
56. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's see how we solved it. So first of all, we need to calculate the percentage of berths filled in that train. So we have the total number of berths in the train. So in total, we have
8.
one
3.
AC coach, five second class coach, and nine third class, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
in total, it will be 18 plus 240. How we got 240? It is 48 into 5, correct?
5. Yes, ma'am.
Then we had 64 into 9. It will
9.
be, in total, we have 834
4.
total berths. Now, berths filled in that train on given day will be 10
10.
plus
And
half
half
of
of
2A, which is 120, and 275 of the 3A berths. It will be 405. Now, percentage will be the berth divided by the total berth, number of berths into 100, correct? So, it will be 48.5.
Hello,
Is this clear?
hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is not showing the practice assignment solution in our portal.
Just
Practice
refresh
assignment
it.
solution was not uploaded by.
Just refresh it. Practice assignment solution. You are saying that the PDF.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There
PDF
is
is
no
not
PDF.
uploaded by.
No, there is no PDF for the practice assignment.
Okay.
The first question is clear. Everyone, yes or no? Shall we
Yes,
proceed?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Okay. Then, what is the relative frequency of the 3A berth among total berths unfilled in the train on the given day? So we need to calculate the relative frequency. Calculate and let me know the answer.
Zero point 0.64.
Okay. What about others?
I'm 0.70. Oh, 0.70.
1.70 and any other answer?
Ma'am, 0.701.
701. Okay, many of them are getting 0.64, 0.67, 0.70, and all. Okay, let's see the solution then. Okay, so in total, how many unfilled berths are there in the train? So in total, we had 834 berths that were filled, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and 40 total berths were 834 and filled one was 405. So if we have to calculate the unfilled, it will be 834 minus 405. So in total, we have 429 unfilled berths, right? Now, total unfilled berths in the 3A, what it will be? How did we calculate? It will be 64 into 9,
9.
correct? Minus
Yes.
275. 275 are the berths that are filled, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this will be 301. So in total, I have 31. So this is the frequency. This is the total unfilled frequency, right? So now the relative frequency will be 301 divided by 429, 0.70. Is the question clear? Those who got the wrong answer?
Yes.
Yeah? Got it?
Yes.
Shall we proceed to the next question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we need to check which is the correct pie chart representation of the berth filled in the train on the given day. So in short, we have to calculate the percentage for each of the berths, 1A, 2A, and 3A. First, we calculate that and tell me the answer for each of the berths.
Ma'am, can you show the second and third option?
Second and third. Have you calculated for the 1A, 2A, and 3A?
Yes, ma'am, the second
Percentage?
option.
The
Second
second
option.
option. Okay. What
Yes.
about others?
Second option, ma'am.
Second option. So how did you guys calculate the percentage? So basically we have numbers of 1A coach field will be 10, 2A will be 120 and 3A will be 275. So percentage will be 10 divided by 405 into 100. So it will be 2.47. Then for 2A it is 29.6 and 3A it will be 67.9. Everybody got this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then, okay, this question was already cleared yesterday session,
Yes, ma'am.
correct?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
then this is the same as relative frequency. Okay, so this question is simple only. Mhm. Okay, let's try this question. Now, in the sport of cricket, a man of the match award is given to the outstanding player in a match. Table 2.38 shows the most MOM awards won by a team of 11 players, each of whom played all 1,000 matches for which the data set is given. So we have a table in which the frequency is given and the relative frequency is given. Okay. Now, how many MOM awards did player 4 win? That in the sense we need to find out the frequency of player 4. Can you guys find it and let me know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, here the answer should be 57.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am, 57.
57. Everybody is getting 57 as the answer. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. 57.
Okay. So first of all, what is the total frequency?
The relative frequency, it would be calculated by the given frequency divided by relative frequency. Then we get the total.
Okay. So what is the answer for the total frequency?
500.
What is the total frequency? Can I get that answer?
500.
500. Okay.
5.
So we have the total frequency, we have the relative frequency. So it will be 500 into 0.11.
1 5. Yes, ma'am.
Correct? The same thing. So here they have done, okay, they have put X and Y and they have calculated in a long way. Okay. So you can just do it in that way. Okay. Now, how many more awards did player 2 win? Okay. What is this value?
Answer should be 19.
What about others?
19.
19. Everyone is getting answer 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How did you all get the answer 19?
Ma'am, here we got the 57 for player 4.
Hmm.
So we add up all these frequency plus let assume the player 2 frequency x
Yes,
and
ma'am,
then
19.
equal to 500. So we get the total, we get the value of x.
Okay.
It means player 2 frequency and then it is divided by the total frequency. So we get that.
What? No, we have subtracted it from the total frequency, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
saying
just
that
subtract
we
the
get
total
x
from the
value,
500.
500.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
total.
So yeah, they have done the same thing. Okay. Now, using the information in given table 2.2G to answer the question 13, 14, and 15. What is the mode of the browser used by the student?
Safari.
Google Chrome.
Chrome.
Google
So,
Chrome.
Google
Google
Chrome.
Chrome. Then, identify the correct pie chart representation for the data given in table 2.2G. Okay, so this is the 52.5. Just note down the values and let's see the pie chart then. Have you guys noted down the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me know. Okay, this is the first figure. Is it the correct one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the correct one. Okay. The third is also not correct, right?
No.
Okay. And the fourth one also not correct. Yes.
Ma'am, I haven't seen the data actually. Can't see.
Okay, you have not noted down the values. Can you just note down the values?
15, 12.5, and 18.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now can you tell me which figure? Is it the first one?
No, ma'am. First one is wrong.
Second?
Second one is correct.
Okay. That means the third, fourth is also wrong. Just check it once
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
Okay. So it should be the second one. Okay. Find the number of students who uses Google Chrome for browsing.
1200.
1200.
1200.
1200.
1200. So basically it will be
Half of.
you have the total number of students they have the relative frequency of the Google Chrome. So the frequency will be what? The total frequency multiplied by the relative frequency. Okay. So this will be 0.50 into 2400, which is 1200. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now use the information given below to answer the question. Choose the correct statement from the following. What is the
Option 1.
mod? 1. How
Yeah,
many
ma'am.
times true is appearing?
Ma'am, I think 8 times.
Okay. And how many times for false?
7 times.
Okay. What
It's
about others? It is 6 times. What about others? So what is the mod here?
true.
It will be true. Now, what can be said about the median of the response?
Ma'am, median of the response can not define for
Correct.
this data set.
Why?
Because this is the categorical variables and here is not mentioned either the true is greater than false or false is greater than true.
Very good. Yes. So that's why if it is not mentioned in the question, what is the order of true and false, then we can't say anything about the median. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
This question is okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now then, consider factory where two different types of objects, namely A and B, are produced. Each object undergoes through 4 stages: drilling, welding, grinding, and fitting. At a given time t, 100 objects of type A and 200 objects of type B are being produced. Table 2.4.1G and 2.42G gives a snapshot of the industrial process at the time t for the objects type A and type B respectively. Find the number of objects of type B that is in drilling stage at the time t. How many objects are there?
Ma'am, 50.
Ma'am,
Answer is
50.
50.
50.
50. How is it 50?
0.25 into 200.
Into
Yes, ma'am.
200.
Multiplied by its total frequency.
Okay. Then find the total number of objects that is in grinding stage at time t.
First of all, ma'am, we will add up both the tables grinding values
Ma'am,
and
35.
divide it by
35.
the total frequency. It means 200 plus 100, 300 divided and multiplied by 100.
Ma'am, 35 is the answer.
Okay. What about
Yeah, ma'am.
others?
35.
Everyone is getting 35? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, we can do in that method also. We can do in this method. So first, basically, they have calculated the number of objects for each of the types. For type A, they have calculated, and for the type B, they have calculated. Okay. So in type A, we had 100 objects and 15, 0.15 were in grinding stage, right? So it will be 100 into 15 by 100, which is 15. And similarly, we calculated for the type B. Then we added both of the terms, which is 35. Is it fine?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
simple. Yeah. Okay. Then what proportion of objects of both type A and B are in welding stage? In welding stage. Yeah.
Purchase divided by.
Third.
No one solved?
37.5. P3.
37.33.
3.
Okay. What about others? What about others? I- Did you guys solve? Only one person got the answer. What about others?
Ma'am, can you show me the question?
What proportion of objects of both type A and B are in welding stage?
38.33, I think.
38.33. One person was getting 37.33, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about other students? We have two different answers.
Ma'am, 37.
Ma'am, 38.33.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I lost my connection. Just a second. Okay. So we were here. So what was your answer?
38.33.
38.33. Okay, we have two answers of 38.33. Okay, what about others? Okay, let's see the option. So basically, we need to calculate the proportion of objects of both type A and B in the welding stage. So in the welding stage, we have 25% in the welding stage in type A and 45% in type B, correct? Okay, so first of all, we will calculate the frequency of both of the type A and type B. So it will be what? It should be, okay, they have calculated 25 and 45, which is 25 and 90. Then they have added it, which I am getting as 115. Now the proportion will be what? The total of type A and type B, which is 115 divided by, in total we had 300 objects into 100, which is 38.33. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Next, XYZ are observation and the sum of their frequencies. Okay, this question was already done. Okay, let's see. X, Y, and Z are observations, and the sum of their frequencies is 50, and relative frequency corresponding to X and Z are 30% and 40%. On the basis of the given information, answer the following questions. The frequency corresponding to Y will be we have the sum of the frequencies, we have the relative frequency of two of the observation. What is the frequency of Y?
Ma'am, 15.
15. What about others?
It's 15, ma'am.
It's 15. Everyone is getting 15. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. 15.
Yes? Okay. So basically, we have, okay, the answer is 15. How did you guys solve it?
Ma'am, frequency
Hmm.
divided by total frequency and it put equal to the relative frequency that is given. Then we got the answer.
What is the relative
Simply,
frequency?
we can draw tables, all the details, and then we can easily calculate with the
Calculate it.
formula of yes.
Yeah, so basically we have been given the total frequency. We have the relative frequency of x and z, right? So it is the same thing. So first of all, we can do like that. We can calculate the frequency of x, we can calculate the frequency of z, and just adding it and adding both of these frequencies and subtracting it from 50, we can get the value of y, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing. Or you can do it as like we have the relative frequency of both of them and
We
we know
can
that the
add
sum of relative frequency is 1. So if we add both of these terms and just subtract it by 1, we get the relative frequency of y.
frequency.
And with that, we can calculate the frequency of y. Correct? We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
have two options like that. Now, what will be the cumulative frequency of x and z? Cumulative frequency.
35.
Which one? 35.
Yes, ma'am. 35.
35. Okay, what is the frequency of x that we are getting?
X is 15.
15.
50. And what is the frequency of z?
20.
20.
20. So we have the frequency of x as 15 and for z as 20. So we
20.
add up, we get
Add up
35.
them.
Yeah. So everybody is getting 35 as the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Then we have a grocery shop has 4 different items listed. The pie chart represents the percentage relative frequency of items. Based on the information, answer the following question. Find the value of x. So we have the percentage relative frequencies here. We have the number of items. The same thing. Find the value of x. What will be the value of x here?
And 300.
Ma'am, 300. 300.
300. Everybody agrees with it.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you guys solve it?
And we calculate the relative frequency from the graph.
Okay.
And
What is the total frequency here?
And total frequency will be 1500.
1500.
150. 1500.
Yes, ma'am. Total
ma'am.
number of yes. Ma'am. Total number of items will be 1500. X will be 300. Y will be 450.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So it will be 1500. Then we have the relative frequency of item 2 as 20%. So we just
Yes.
divide it with the, multiply it with the
Multiplied
20%.
it.
Correct. So we got 300 as the answer. Now, find the value of y.
450.
50, ma'am. 450.
Just added all of these numbers and subtracted it with 1500, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Or we can also do that fraction part, same answer.
Fraction part same, 450. Okay, so that's it. We are done with the practice assignment. Any more doubts in practice assignment?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubts,
No,
right?
ma'am.
It's complete. Okay. Okay then. So anything else?
Ma'am, can you tell one thing for the quiz one exam that we have in October? Like this type of questions, we have to practice more, right? The calculation part, these
The
type of
calculation.
questions.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
The
And
questions,
ma'am,
yeah,
a
this is
similar
more than
thing, similar thing for maths one also.
maths one. I'm not sure that you have to ask with the respective instructors.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Every
ma'am.
subject is having different they are having different pattern, right? How they are given the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, for saying.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Suresh.
Ma'am, it's not from the course, but I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Just a second. Suresh is having one doubt. Let me just clear that. See, can you tell me, Suresh, what do you mean by a Pareto chart? Can you speak? Hello? So yes, you there? Okay, I'll just then do one thing. Okay, I'll just do one thing. I'll just share my screen. So, okay, so basically what is Pareto chart? Pareto chart is just, we are just we are just sorting out the frequency, correct? So let's suppose I'm having like these A, B, C, they are just nominal, they are just labeled. Fine. Okay, so A is having a frequency 4, B is having a frequency 6, and C is having a frequency 2. Now, I have to create a Pareto chart. What is the Pareto chart? Just like I have to make a graph, I have to make a chart in which my frequencies or the bars are in order. Okay. So basically, if you see here, my B is having the highest frequency, then 4, then A, then C, correct? So in that way, I have to make a chart. So that is a Pareto chart. Got it? Yes or no? It's just as simple. Yeah. For nominal, we don't have any labels. Sorry, we don't have any orders, right? So in that case, we don't have to consider the ordering of the data. We will just consider the ordering of the frequencies. On the basis of the frequency, we have to make a chart. Is it fine? Yes? Can I get a thumbs up or something? Okay. Yes, Sanskar, you can
It's
go
not
ahead.
from the course, but I got the email for invitation email from the IITM Paradox, in which
Mm,
there is a field. It is asking for the CGPA, but the end term is not completed. So what should I write there?
Sorry, I could not get you that.
I
Which?
got the email,
Mm,
invitation email from IIT Madras Paradox event.
Paradox event.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Because I got the ID. I'm in foundational level.
Okay.
So, uh, there is a field in which it is asking for the CGPA,
Hmm.
but I have completed only week one and don't get the CGPA. So what should I write there?
Just ask them because I'm not sure about it. I don't have any idea about that. Just mail
I
them
asked the support
regarding.
team, ma'am,
Hmm.
they are saying that if you don't get the if you don't completed the end term, so you can't write there anything. But they're not tell me that should I go ahead or not.
No, if they're asked for CGPA, then after the end just fill it then. Is it necessary? Like there is a deadline or something that you have
Yeah,
to fill
ma'am,
it right
12th of
now?
October is the deadline for the registration form.
Okay, so just ask them that I have not completed. It's just the starting of my foundation level course. So just ask them what should I fill? Should I fill or should I not? Just ask them.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
ma'am.
just ask them. Sorry, I don't have any idea about this thing. Okay then. So anything else? Week 2 is
Ma'am,
clear
I
to
had a
everyone?
doubt.
Yeah.
This is a
What's your
bit
doubt?
out of context, but ma'am, a lot of people have received forms for medical certificates and a lot of people haven't. So, do you have any idea about that? Like,
Medical
you have to
certificate.
submit some medical certificate, it seems, and I am not yet cleared my qualifier, so I haven't received any such mail. So, is it for students who are already in the foundation level, or is it for people who are yet to give the qualifiers? Like, I'm really confused.
Uh, I'll just uh, I'll just ask because I also don't have any idea. This is the first time
No,
I'm
ma'am,
hearing
it's
about
not
this.
for the qualified students. It's for diploma level or foundational level or the degree level students.
Okay, thank you.
It is mentioned on the dashboard.
Okay, then anything else? Okay, so that's it.
No,
Week 2
ma'am.
is, I hope week 2 is very much clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody's having any doubts or anything. Practice assignment is also clear. Okay, so it was week 2. That's why I was able to complete the practice assignment in the session only. But just try to complete the practice assignment before the sessions, okay? Because we will be having more and more concept in the upcoming weeks and all. So just try to complete it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine then. So that's it then. Let's end the meet then, shall we?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye
Good
everyone.
evening,
Have a
ma'am.
great night. Good
Good
Thank
evening.
you,
evening.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Praveen, you there?
Hello, madam. Can
Yeah.
you hear me?
Sumit.
Yeah. Hi. I just wanted to introduce myself. Actually, this is the first time I'm attending the lecture, so I just
Okay.
wanted to introduce myself to you.
Okay.
So I'm actually not aware of how these classes or courses are being taken off. So I really have no idea about what has to be done basically to attend these sort of lectures. I think it's only the videos that we need to go through before these things, or is it like a live session where you teach all the concepts live
See,
for the
basically,
students?
okay. So the thing is, like in coming Friday, we are
Mhm.
releasing week four, I guess. Yeah. Week four, we are going to release, correct? So if we are
Mhm.
going to release week four, in the next week, we will be teaching you week four in the sense that you have to see the lectures, you have to watch all the lectures of week four, and then we
Okay.
will be giving you the summary session, like what the professor has taught.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the basic. So we are having only three sessions, which is the live session, then the solve
Mhm.
with the session, and the doubt session. So in the live session is
Okay.
basically we are just telling you, giving you the summary or the brief about that lecture. Okay. Then the
Mhm.
second session is solve with us. Basically, we will be having some questions and we will be solving it. Okay.
Okay.
And then the third is the doubt session. So like we have activity questions, we have the practice assignment, right? So you have
Mhm.
to solve that all the activity and the practice assignment and then come with the doubts. So on that day, I will be clearing your doubts for that questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Understood.
this is for the stats one. I don't know about the other courses, how they are dealing with the sessions and all. So this is about
Mhm.
the stats one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
So have you like this is your first, so have you gone through the lectures of week one and week two?
I No, I did go through week one. I
Hmm.
didn't get the time for week two
Week
because
two.
of my work things.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just trying to, get through those in a fast pace.
Okay. So did you like attend today's session, like the whole
No,
session
I
from
just
starting?
reached home. No, I just reached home and I logged in.
Okay. So
Yeah.
basically this is going to end the session, like now is going to end. So
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, let's see you in the next session, which is week three.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
sure.
before that, just to watch the week three lectures and all. And you can also
Mm-hmm.
watch the recorded sessions if you want. You can have.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's
Can
fine.
you share the link?
Link is in the calendar only.
It's in the calendar. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go through that. Sure.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Praveen. Okay. Praveen has got the answer. Anything else? Anyone? So I hope week two is overall clear. The concepts are clear. The questions are clear. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay then. So
ma'am,
then
I have a
let's
doubt in week three.
week three.
Yeah,
Um, okay. Yeah. What's your doubt?
in a practice assignment, second question, 3.1.
Practice assignment 3.1. Second question.
I don't know how to solve it.
The doctor has collected heights. Okay. We have been given the box plan.
No, it is not. I
What
think
is what is your question?
you have a different question and I have a different.
Yeah. Exactly. Let's do one thing then. Shall we continue in the next session, like in which week 3 is going to start? Do you have the question with you right now?
Okay, sir. Later I will ask.
Yeah, you got the question? Did you get the question?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's see. Let me just see the question. Can you just post it in the chat box?
I can upload.
You can upload. Yes. Or else you can share the screen. You can.
I see.
Sure. Which question? Second question. If the mean and sample standard deviation of the data models respectively, then mod of x1 and mod of x2. Okay, this will this will be having some like the formula. You have to, in the sense like we have the formula of standard deviation. You have to open the brackets and all. Then you have to put some like you have to equate the values. Then only you will get the answer. You will be having two equations from the mean and from the sample standard deviation. Then you have to equate it, and then you need to get the answers of x1 and x2 like that. Okay.
Try.
Yeah, just try it once and let me know. Okay, in the next session. Fine.
When will be next test?
It will be on Friday. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Anything else? Okay, so shall we end the meet now? I hope nobody is having any other doubts. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night. Bye, everyone.